Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you an easy technique to paint on a curved glass surface. But before getting started, if you're new here, please consider joining the small creative family by pressing that subscribe button. Here I've cleaned the glass container already and I've drawn the design on this paper. I'll slightly roll the paper to this curved form and then I can easily insert the design onto this glass vase. Now I can trace this design. I'm using two glass liners for this painting. To begin with, I'm starting with this Pebeo Sun Relief grey shade. Since it's not a plain surface, it's better to place it with a support on both the sides of the glass container. I'll add all the details about the materials that I'll be using for this painting in the description below. You can also feel free to check out few of my previous glass painting videos where I have done paintings on candle holders and glass vases similar to this. If you're hesitant to keep a background design like this, you can also add freehand designs. I've previously done similar videos and I'll add the links of those videos in the description below. Now I'm drawing this oval outline using this copper liner from Marabu. Once the lining part is finished, I let it dry thoroughly before adding the paint. Here, in order to paint, I'm not using a brush or a toothpick, I'm using these Q-tips. This is a really easy yet effective method to apply glass paints on curved surface. Q-tips will make sure that only the correct amount of paint is applied to the surface. This can also prevent the overflowing of paint to other parts of the design. This will also help us to give beautiful shades to the designs. Here I am mixing an orange along with this opaque yellow. I'm using a range of glass paints from the brand Pebeo and also Marabu Glass Art. I'll add all the details in the description. Here I am mixing two ceramic paints from Pebeo, that is leaf green and also Victoria green. And on this background portion, I am using a transparent golden shade from Pebeo Vitrail. Now the painting is thoroughly dried and I'll add the final details. I'm just highlighting certain portions of the outline using this black liner. And throughout this oval outline, I am adding dotted highlights using copper. You can feel free to add any details according to your choice. And this is how beautiful our glass vase is looking. This can definitely become an elegant decor piece or a gorgeous centerpiece. I hope you all will try this out and will make a beautiful decor piece on your own. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting arts and crafts videos. Thank you so much for watching.